Good afternoon, myself Pinky Chawla, advocate practicing District Court, Delhi as well as Supreme Court. There's a new judgment has come in 498 case in Allahabad, where High Court has given direction if any FIR registered under Section 498A by the police department and police department after doing the complete verification send the matter to District Welfare Authority, District Authority Legal Cell. Matter will be referred in this department where normal advocates who are in legal aid working in the capacity of acting judge and advocate, they try to reconcile the matter between both the parties, and the matter will go for 2 months. If they try to settle the matter amicably, it so happen then there will be no case will prolong under Section 498A. But in case matter is not settled, then within a 2 months time, then the matter will go in the concerned trial court, where the case will prolong for as far as the system is there. Then it will go for charge sheet, then it will go for evidence and so on. So in this matter there will be no arrest. So husband has to chill. It's a good news for husband side. If any case FIR is being registered by the wife, because she always threaten when there is a petty matter that she will go and file a dowry case against husband and as well as his relatives and parents, then there will be no arrest. So they have to chill. Thank you so much for listening to me. My number is 9818277131. If you have any queries in detail, you can always further ask me about this. Thank you so much.